Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Here I've made another Easter basket idea, I guess. It's in the shape of an egg and you can go ahead and paint this different colors or theme it up if you'd like, but the cool thing is that you can see through this egg and you can see what's inside, so it's pretty cool. I mean, it's different and I like it, and I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start, just remember I do have another YouTube channel where I show you how to price drop things on Amazon, just like these acrylic paint pens from $10.98 to $4.94, and not just craft items, it's items that you use on a daily basis and things you might need, like this dash cam, great reviews, and you get the SD card with it, $55.99, but with our code we're dropping it down to $19. Or I alert you with price drops like these Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaner, and it's the 24 ounce for $3.44 for 2 of them. And you know, if I find any craft deals or resin deal, I post it, like this resin mold, $9.99 down to $4.99, or this jewelry organizer. I love this one. We dropped it down to $9.99. I posted this a few videos ago. Or this one, I love the way this one looks, down to $4.65. And these ornaments are going to go from $9.99, and you get a pack of 4, by the way, from $9.99 down to $4. So definitely check that out. I'll put the link down below to that channel. It's called Tina's Daily Deals, but I'll put the link for you down there anyway. Now let's get on with the video. I'm going to take one wooden egg from Dollar Tree, and this I picked up from like the wall decor. It's the bigger egg, and a poster board. Just know you can make any shape you'd like. You could even make the bunny, so pick up any shape you'd like and just follow the same steps. I'm pretty much tracing a bigger egg around it, if that makes sense. And then on the other side of the poster board, you only need one for each egg. I'm going to mark at 4 inches. That way it's easier to cut the poster board, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it from one mark to the next one so it can be straight as possible. And that depends on how thick you want your egg to be, but I made mine at 4 inches. And now it's time to take that strip we just cut and glue it around the egg. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell, because next video I'm working on a tabletop lamp. You do not want to miss out on that one. Here I'm just cutting that center of the egg we cut earlier just to give it that clear look. And I'm taking chopping mats, which you get 2 in a pack at Dollar Tree, and E6000. And I'm going to glue that strip onto the chopping mat. That's going to be our lid. It's going to be our little window where we can see what's inside. And if I sound like an airhead in this video, do forgive me. I'm fighting a cold here and it's crazy. I know tons of people that are sick right now. If you're sick, drop a comment down below. We'll get through this together, love. And now here I'm going in again with the same poster board. I'm making 2-inch marks, I believe. And I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but I made the little dots that way when I go in with the scissors. It's going to be straight as possible because I'm going from one point to the next. And I'm going to take that strip and do the same thing, glue it around our lid, and yeah, then decorate your lid and your egg, or you can paint it, and then it's time to stuff it. If you don't want to paint your egg though, I just thought of another idea. You can get the poster board at Dollar Tree. They have different colors, so you can go ahead and pick up the blue if you want a blue egg, or a pink one if you want a pink egg, or you can decorate it like I did. I just added stickers to mine. And now here's the fun part where you add the items that you like. So I'm putting in the bunny and some candy, and here's how it turned out, you guys. I definitely love the way it looks and it's unique. I might add with vinyl across the front there. So yes, you can definitely personalize this, and I think it's pretty cool that you can see through the egg and see what's inside. But I want to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think of this project. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.